So here is the box here, and you know, that's just how that looks. And as I've opened it, you guys just see that is Influenster times Guerlain. Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing wonderful, and as you guys saw on the thumbnail, today we're talking about Influenster Voxbox number 10. I have a playlist already named subscription boxes, how to get free products as an influencer, as a micro influencer like me. I've been getting products from them, and this is box number 10, and I'll talk to you guys about that today. And in that playlist, which I will link here or below, the first 3 videos I've talked in detail about how influencer works and how to keep getting products, so you can reference that. And also, if you know a family or friend in need, guys, refer them to this channel. There's so much variety. They can archive the information if they need to when they're ready to take action. If you're buying, use cash or debit, and if it's just getting more knowledge, you know, hey, you're welcome, right? So please don't forget that. So without further ado, guys, let's get right into it. So here is the box here, and you know, that's just how that looks. And as I've opened it, you guys just see that is Influenster times Guerlain. Guerlain is an expensive line. It's extremely expensive. So when you guys know my channel is, the focus is to get quality and quantity at an affordable price. So I give you guys all the tips and tricks on how to get everything high-end luxury at an affordable price. So if I review something on my channel, I have to be very careful that I stay within that mindset, within that goal. So this is Guerlain, okay, the Guerlain serum. So they have a new serum out, and so the serum is called Guerlain Abeille Royale Double R Serum. And guys, I've been using it for a while now, and I'm going to give you my opinion. So, like, you know, when you're going to look for this, I'm going to link it below. You're going to see that it's very, very expensive, okay? So right there, guys, so I got 2 products, as you see right there. The first product that I have is the Abeille Royale eye cream. It's a multi-wrinkle eye cream. So it's a multi-wrinkle eye cream minimizer. I don't have wrinkles right now, so I didn't test this out. So as you see right there, that's how small it is. It's a sample. Obviously, it's not a deluxe sample. It's the smallest they could get to us. So I haven't tested the eye cream. I don't need it because I don't have wrinkles under my eyes or around my eyes, so this wouldn't serve me a purpose. I'm gonna probably gift this away to someone in need. What I did try here is the Double R Renew and Repair Serum, just so you guys can see as proof. I've used it, and I've used it up to date, as you can see. Okay, so they give us 30 days or so to review products, and sometimes they extend it. So if it's not a makeup product, I usually try to wait to the end. So I started using this on June 6, 2020, and today we are June 26, 2020, so almost towards the 30-day mark. So because I don't want to miss, I have to review it before the 30th. So I try to, you know, you guys, this is why I love my channel, because I'm so authentic and honest, and I take my time with the products. And this is, first of all, the packaging is amazing. That honeybee like theme, like, I love that, you know. I really, really like it. It's you know, it's luxury. This product, the bigger size is like $200, and the small size is like $180 or something like that. So I'll link it below, but it's extremely expensive. However, this product claims to, so it says the serum offers both lifting effect and new skin effect for the skin, thanks to the ultimate Abeille Royale age-defying technology and soft peel technology. The skin looks firmer and more radiant, contours more refined, wrinkles and pores seems minimized, the face looks younger after each application, and it says to apply to the face and neck in the morning and evening before using your cream. I've been using it once a day since June 6th, and so it's definitely a glowing effect. On the first day, you will feel a tingling sensation. It's going to be a little strong, just a little bit strong. Second day, it's going to recede, and then eventually you'll be fine. So some people that I've heard had reactions to it. Mine, that was the only sensation that I felt, which was tingling. The first day was a little bit like, oh, what's going on? And the second day was a tiny bit, and after that it kind of dissipated and I didn't feel that anymore. I don't have wrinkles, so I can't speak on that. Did it make my skin firm? What do you guys think? Watching my past videos, I don't know. I think it did. Radiant, absolutely. I feel like it gives you a healthy, radiant glow. I definitely agree with that. You know, I use it on my face and my neck. It is amazing. So if you're looking for radiance, that glow, you will get it with this, and a little goes a long way. And also, you know, as you get into your 30s and 40s, it's time to use anti-aging products. So I feel like this will help me with anti-aging. So even though I wasn't really looking into it right now, but it's kind of kickstarting that process. So definitely a great product for enhancing and that inner glow, that dewy radiant finish is amazing for that. Like I say, for wrinkles, I don't know because I don't have that. For firming, I do believe it's firming my skin. And then, like I said, for anti-aging, I feel like it's preparing me for that transition. So would I recommend this? Yes, of course I would. If you can get 20% at Sephora during their sales, that would be amazing. Use your Ebates or Rakuten cashback option. You get more money back on that. And if you're already into luxury, there you go. However, if this is not within your lane, don't bother with it, guys. There's so much more available that could do this a similar effect, okay? But if you can, I recommend it. It does help with firming and making your skin extremely bright and glowy and radiant, and it also prepares you for aging factors that may be slowly uprising. So yeah, so that is my opinion on this product, and thank you so much again, Influenster, for sending me this product and for believing in me. I really appreciate it. I'm very grateful. And you guys already know I have my finance tracker that's available for purchase on my blog. The link is down below. I tell you how I've saved. I saved so much money. I paid off most of my debts, and now I'm on a financial journey to millionaire status. And I tell you my tips and tricks, how I budget and everything like that. So check it out. Let's chat, learn more about my finance story. I'm really into finance. I'm going to be diving into that very, very soon. There's a playlist already available. You guys can check it out down below. Also, there's a playlist already available, a finance playlist. I have only 2 videos on there, but I'll be uploading because I want to really dive into that on my channel. So the link will be available here or down below. I appreciate you guys. Any opinions, I would love it. Any suggestions, I would love it. Comment down below. Check me out on my social media platforms. And otherwise, I will see you guys on my next video. Mwah, guys, bye bye. And don't forget to praise God.
So when they put you to the test, just do your best and let God do the rest. And enemies stress, I'm a living witness, I'm the proof. Nothing is impossible, and that's the truth. You can achieve if you plan to. If I can make it, man, you can too.